we can understand the science and the spirit go together. There's one reason that is true, and that is because the substance, the primal substance of which the universe is created, the first substance in existence that allows this structure of the scalar wave templates to form, are called Partakai units. Partakai, Partakai, and Partakam. You guys have heard this a million times. And I'm doing this really quick for the people in the back that haven't heard this stuff. Partakai, Partakai, and Partakam. The primal units of creation are the units of the consciousness of one common source called God. It's not a God with a white beard that sits on a throne. It is consciousness that is, was, always has been, always will be. It is the primal force of creation. It is intelligent. And it is the substance out of which everything, the manifestation templates and everything that manifests on them, are created from. It is also the being or the consciousness within all of this takes place. God isn't over here somewhere and decided to throw creation over there away from itself. God creates within itself, just like we create thoughts within our heads. Well, you could consider God to be a great spiritual being, and you can't define all of what God is here in this dimensional level. But all of this creation takes place within God. We are never separate from God. You've all heard this before a million times. So you cannot be separate from God because you live within the consciousness of God and you're composed of the consciousness of God. So this is where science and spirit fit together. Now what God did in order to experience itself in manifest individuated creation was to create a mathematical template of how portions of its own consciousness could relate to each other to form phenomena, the phenomena of a three-dimensional externalized illusion, a holographic experience. We are a holographic experience within the mind of God. And when we ascend and get all back up to source, we find that we were source and we are source, and we always were. We just forgot when we got in here. In the meantime, we're down here, and lots of weird stuff can happen when you're down in dimensionalized systems.